Bonjour everybody, welcome back to my channel. Welcome if you are new. My name is Luisa. You are watching Lulu C'est la vie, and for today's video I'm going to talk about how we can still be doing our curly girl method, our curly girl techniques for fine wavy the curly hair when we are on a budget. Alright, so I don't know about you guys, but with this whole COVID-19 situation, my curly hair budget is getting smaller and smaller and smaller every month. Okay, so I had to come up with some ways to make sure that I can stretch my products for as long as possible and still get a good hair result. So in this video I'm going to cover a few topics. We're going to start with talking about what brands are budget friendly and still give you a nice result. The second one is which product do we really want to spend our money on, from the shampoo till the mask to the gel. What product do you really want to be spending most of your money on? And lastly, we're going to talk about the styling technique. What can we do? What can we tweak in our styling technique to stretch our product a little bit longer? Okay, with no further ado, let's get this party started. Alright, so let's talk about the brands that we can buy that is on a budget and that is still curly girl friendly. The first one that I want to talk about is Garnier Fructis. It is available, like most of the brands I'm going to talk about on this video, in pretty much every drugstore, every supermarket. Those are mainstream brands that are widely available, and I think Garnier Fructis is pretty much available worldwide at this point. Alright, so in my house, I have the Garnier Fructis 1 Minute Hair Mask. In the same line of product, they have the shampoo and the conditioner. And they are all under $8. I think they're like $7.99. This mask is the smaller version, and I believe it costs between $3 and $4. But for the bigger, I think it's an 8-ounce jar, it's $7.99. What I really like about this line of product is that it is paraben free, silicone free, there's no artificial colors, and 94% of their product is biodegradable, and they claim on the bottle that it is 98% naturally derived ingredients. They are making an effort to make the products at a very low cost and very close to natural product. Okay, so when you're on a budget, I think that this line of product is something that you should really consider. For about $8 per product, you can get a shampoo, a conditioner, and this mask acts as a conditioner, a leave-in conditioner, and a mask. So I think this is a great place to start. The second brand I want to talk about is Maui Moisture. Here I have a shampoo. I also have the conditioner in the kitchen, in the bathroom. But I just took the shampoo to show you the bottle. Maui Moisture, this whole line of product is really good. It is mineral oil free, silicone free, paraben free, gluten free, SLS free, sulfate and sulfactant free. There's no synthetic dyes, it's vegan, it's eco-friendly, pure coconut, pure aloe vera in this one, and the price point is at about $9. So we are under $10 per product. I personally like their shampoo and their conditioner, and their leave-in conditioner is pretty good also. I've tried the green line and I've tried the, I think it was the orange line. They all have specific, I think I tried the pink one too. They all have specific things that they do to your hair depending on what your hair needs. If your hair needs extra moisture, you might want to go for something a little bit more hydrating. If your hair needs more shine, you'll find that line too. Each product again is under $8, is that right? No, $9. You're right at $9, so you're under $10, and it's a pretty decent line of product. The third line of product that I want to show you is the Not Your Mother's Natural. Now I want to stress on the natural. Not Your Mother's brand have a bunch of different lines. The Not Your Mother's Natural is the one that I particularly like to use more than Curl Talk, because Curl Talk is also from Nature Mother. This line of product from Nature Mother's Natural is right at $10 per product. They have a great shampoo, conditioner, and leave-in conditioners. They also have masks. And do they have a mask? It depends on the line, but the line that says Nature Mother's Natural, I like it because it is sulfate and surfactant free, silicone free, paraben free, dye free, gluten free, and phthalates free. So again, a very clean line of product that you can safely use, and that is right on a $10 budget per product. Now, those are the only product that I'm going to talk about on this video because I've been using them for many years and I always go back to them. Those are my drugstore product that I can take with my eyes closed. I know it's going to do the job. It's not the best, it's not the most amazing, but on a budget, I know that I am right in budget and then I'm going to get a nice result. Now, I need you guys to put in the comment section what is your favorite drugstore product, curly girl friendly product that's on a budget. Let us know how much do you pay for it. Let us know where it's available in your country and if it is curly girl approved, or if there's a little bit of silicone in there, or if there's a little bit of dye, or if the smell artificial, let us know what you guys have. The goal here is that we share as much as possible our knowledge with each other so that we can learn from each other and get smarter and save money. All right, so now the next section, we're going to figure out where to spend our money when it comes down to hair product. When you think about it, from a beginning, washing your hair, to end, your hair is styled and dried and you're ready to go. How many products are you going to be using? You have a shampoo, conditioner, a deep conditioner, or a mask. I'm going to put them in the same category because I don't believe that you do both at the same time, right? You're going to need a leave-in conditioner and a gel. Personally, I only need 5 products, but if I have to spend $10 per product, I'm already at 50 bucks. So the question is, what product can I get rid of? I'm gonna need a shampoo because I need to cleanse my hair out of the excess product. I work out a lot, I sweat a lot, I need to cleanse my scalp, and I do a lot of day ones, and I need that shampoo. So the thing is, I don't need that shampoo to be particularly amazing. All I needed to do is to cleanse my scalp, cleanse my hair. So a $10 shampoo is going to be fine. And another thing with shampoos is that I can use them for a long period of time. Usually my bottle of shampoo, seriously, I think lasts between 4 and 6 months easily, because I used a few drops mostly on my scalp, and let the rest run throughout my hair. Those bottles of shampoo last me a long time. So if I spend $10 on a bottle, I know that I'm going to stretch those $10 for at least 4 solid months. Now the conditioner. Conditioner is a lot more important to me. For 1 bottle of shampoo, I would buy 2 bottles of conditioner. I am using a lot more conditioner than I'm using shampoo. Also on day 2s or day 3s, sometimes I like to use a little bit of a conditioner as a co-wash instead of using a shampoo. So a conditioner is going to be really important. So yes, I am definitely going to spend that $10 on my conditioner. The third product is a mask or a dip conditioner. Those tend to be a little bit more expensive. They're usually a little bit more than 10 bucks. In the line of products, the mask and the dip conditioners, they are a couple dollars more. The thing is, you don't use them as fast as you would use any of your other product. A mask can last you for a solid 6 months without a problem, knowing that you would do a mask once a week to replenish your hair with the moisture they need. A big 8-ounce jar of mask is definitely gonna last you half a year without any problem. Now, between a mask and a deep conditioner, personally, I would go for the mask. I feel that the masks are more packed with nutrition, and I feel it's a heavier duty than a deep conditioner. Deep conditioner, it looks to me like a glorified conditioner. So if I was to choose between the two, I would go for the mask before I go for a deep conditioner, but that's my personal preference. Feel free to disagree with me and let me know in the comments below which one do you like better. Okay, now we're done with washing and treating our hair. Now it's time to style. Personally, to style my hair, I need a leave-in conditioner and a gel. I don't need anything more than that. I have fine, wavy to curly hair. I like to have my natural volume, and I personally like to feel like my hair is clean all the time. I don't like to feel that my hair is weighted down with overload of products. So I know that in order for me to have that fluffiness in my hair, I can only go as far as a leave-in conditioner. It needs to be light leave-in conditioner and a gel. Those are definitely products that I'm going to be spending money on for sure. Okay, so when you recap, you have your bottle of shampoo that's going to last you 6 months. So you can divide the price of that bottle by 6 or by 4 if you're heavy on the shampoo. Then you have the conditioner. This conditioner personally is something that I use a lot more. Usually around a month and a half I have to buy a new bottle. So this is where your money is going to go for sure. The mask or the deep conditioning, depending on your favorite, is something, again, just like the shampoo. You're going to stretch that throughout the year, so you can divide the price of this jar in 6 easily. Leave-in conditioner and gels, definitely your money is going to go in there monthly. So really, when you look at how much your budget is going to be monthly, you're looking at 3 products that you're gonna have to buy over and over again. This is your conditioner, your leave-in conditioner, and your gel. Okay, now moving on to the styling technique. How can we tweak our styling technique to make sure that we are stretching this product for as much as possible, and we're not wasting our product? Personally, right now, and since I think February of 2020, I've been using the clump method. The clumping method is a method when you apply your styling product on soaked hair. Usually you're still under the shower. This is a technique that I really like because it allows the product to be evenly distributed all over my hair, and it doesn't leave my hair weighted down by the product. The problem that I have, and if you follow me you know that it's been a problem for me, is that I feel like it's wasting half of my product down the drain. I value my money and I hate to think that a lot of my money is going down the drain. So what do I do to make sure that I'm not wasting my product? Well, the key word here is dosage. You need to make sure that you dosage the amount of product you're going to put in your hair. If you decide that it's going to be 2 tablespoons, this is it. You better make sure that those 2 tablespoons are going to be well distributed throughout your hair. When it comes to gel, I like to put it on my hair just before I'm ready to diffuse. Why? Because gels tend to be a little bit more expensive than my leave-in conditioner, and I really don't want to waste it. Another thing is I need my gel to really hold my hair throughout the day. So I want the maximum strength of it. I'm just gonna apply it on my hair just before I'm ready to diffuse. I'm gonna diffuse, and I will have a little cast, depending on the gel you like to use, either a little cast or no cast at all, your preference, but it will hold throughout the day. I posted a video not too long ago, which is my updated clumping method technique. I will link it right here for you guys to see. In this updated technique, I show you guys what I do to make sure that I'm not wasting my product. So you'll see how I apply the product on my hair and how much I apply. Another styling technique that I like to do that may be a little controversial, and if it is, don't get mad at me, but it works for me and I think it's worth sharing with the community. I like to use my conditioner as a leave-in conditioner once in a while. I'm not saying it's something you need to do all the time, and you have to be aware. Most conditioner are meant to be rinsed out, but some of them you can use as a leave-in conditioner. The 2 that I like to use as leave-in conditioner, and I can only vouch for those 2, I don't know about the others, are the Garnier Fructis 1 minute hair mask, because it says on the bottle you can use it as a conditioner, as a leave-in conditioner, as a mask. And then the Royal Honey Kalahari Dessert Melon Repair and Protect Conditioner from Natural Mother's Natural, a great leave-in conditioner. The way I use it is usually on day 2 or day 3. Although today's day 1 and I used it as a leave-in conditioner and I'm loving the result. Day 2, day 3, I will rinse my hair under warm water. I will use a little bit to detangle, to help detangle my hair. When I say a little bit, it's probably a quarter of what you would use if you were to use it as a regular conditioner. Really, a quarter. You do not want to have too much conditioner in your hair. If you have too much, rinse it off. You have to rinse it off. So yeah, I would on day 2, day 3, rinse my hair under warm water, use about a quarter of what I would use on a regular conditioner day, detangle my hair and go straight into a clumping technique, plop my hair up, get out the shower, take my shower, do what I have to do, get dressed, blah blah blah, and then scrunch my hair, apply the gel, diffuse my hair. This is what I did today, and that's the end result. Okay. Although today's a day 1, I did wash my hair with shampoo before. This is something I like doing. Again, you cannot do that with any and all conditioners. This one has no silicone, no sulfate or surfactant, which is a big deal. A lot of conditioners still have a little bit of sulfate in them. That's why you need to wash them off. This one has no paraben, no silicone, I said that already, no phthalate, no gluten. So it's, it's a safe line. It's really the silicone and the sulfate that you want to rinse off. You really want to rinse that off. Lastly, one thing to keep in mind is that if a product is too heavy for you and is sitting in your bathroom, I'm talking about gel custard, I'm talking about leave-in conditioners, get an empty spray bottle and dilute your product with water. I will link a video right there for you guys to see how I do that with some of my products. It could be an option. It's better than nothing, and you've already spent the money on this product. You might as well find a way to use it. Alright, my love, well, this is it. I think I covered everything. It's the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Again, I invite you to go in the comment section, either to read what other people have to say, what other product they're using, where they find them, how much they spend for them, or to put a comment and share with us what product you're using when you're on a budget. How do you use it? What technique do you do to stretch your products a little bit? The more we share, the more we know, the more money we can save, and the stronger we are. Alright, my love, I'm gonna go. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share, especially if you think this can help somebody. I will see you guys very soon with a new video. Until then, my loves, stay happy, stay healthy, have a beautiful life. Au revoir et à bientôt.
Hey, c'est la vie.